Hey guys, Jason here again, bringing you another video. This vehicle was already fully prepped, decontaminated, and gotten ready to be buffed and polished. This vehicle was pretty dirty. I didn't take a before video just because I did not expect to do this level of service or think the paint was in this condition. So I kind of just forgot and didn't. But this vehicle has a good amount of swirls in it. Sun doesn't do justice, but the paint is pretty faded. You can kind of see some spider webbing there. The paint is pretty dull. It is shiny, and it is very squeaky clean. You can even see here on the trim, it's got some water or chemical etching in it. You can still see some of a reflection, but we'll have to polish that out and kind of clean up these bits around the edges of the window and get them all cleaned. You can see here again on the paint. This vehicle does have some wear and tear on it. It's not perfect, no, but it'll definitely clean up. It already has cleaned up a good amount, as you can see here as I back up. By no means is it in terrible shape, but it definitely needs a little bit of love to bring it back to looking showroom and dial it in. Here you can see the paint here. Wait till you see the after on this and really get the full perspective of how this paint is supposed to look and how much potential this vehicle will have. You can even see a little bit of oxidation that we might have the client touch up and notify to have done a little bit. Trim's clean. You can see here there's a lot of bug gut etches, which is the stains from all the bug guts over time and just rock tips and all like that. So like I said, it does have its wear and tear. It's not going to be perfect after this service. The service isn't, aiming for protection in itself. It's just mostly to get the paint back to looking showroom again and make it look jet black and rich in color, so it looks new. Again, this is a paint enhancement service. Stick around and we'll show you the after, maybe a little bit of the process as we go, because this vehicle is looking good and it's just going to get even better. Stay tuned. All right, here she is, everybody. She is completely wrapped up. All the finishing touches have been done, and look at that. The gloss on this paint job and vehicle is unreal. Tires are all slicked up, shined up, trim restored and protected. Paint is dialed in, windows are cleaned. Paint looks much better. Like we said, not perfect, but the gloss is ridiculous and insane. All finished up, even the headlights were wet sanded and polished out and protected with the ceramic coating. You can see a huge difference in those. So you go around here, the sun's gonna make it difficult to see. Unreal. What a huge transformation. This paint job actually looks black and new again. If your vehicle is in need of some more love than just a wash and wax, and you need the paint buff to restore that shine and luster, please visit our website at whatindetailnation.org or give us a call at 443-789-6279, and we look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, I'll see ya.